Here's how to fix Google Maps if it's muted in CarPlay. Now, if you're driving your car and you're navigating somewhere, but Google Maps is not talking out loud, you can't hear it, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. The easiest option is to hop out of here and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. And let's make sure that there's a solid connection between your iPhone and that other device. So tap on Bluetooth here and make sure this is turned on and it's connected to your vehicle. The next thing we'll do is swipe down from the top right and then make sure the volume slider is turned all the way on. But there are other things you might need to do within Google Maps itself, and it might be muted in the app itself. So from here, tap on your profile at the top right, and then tap on Settings at the bottom, and tap on Navigation. From here, scroll down and under Sound and Audio, make sure it is not set to being muted. This is a common thing that some people might accidentally set it to mute. So just tap on Unmute, and then turn on Play Voice over Bluetooth and turn on Play as a Bluetooth phone call. Both of these will definitely allow it to speak out loud the navigation as you're driving. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video or if it helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment that this legitimately helped you or that if you're still having issues on your phone.